Your Little Legends starter set comes with 1 box of game pieces and 12 boxes of cards, color-coded for your convenience. There are 4 green boxes of coding cards, 1 for each team of students, a Nova box, a Cannon box, a Mateo box, and an Ember box. There are 48 cards in each box, 20 of which have a story-related picture, and 28 of which have drone commands. These cards will be used with all 5 Legendale Neighborhood Unplugged coding activities. All of the cards needed for the Unplugged coding activity will be in this pack. Each card has an identifying number in the upper left-hand corner. These numbers are to help you manage and store your packs of cards. The identifying number, NCC-M-01, stands for Neighborhood Coding Card-Mateo. Card number 1. This number identifies the card as belonging to the Neighborhood Story Set, the Mateo character pack, and is numbered Card 1. There are 4 blue boxes of game cards, 1 for each team of students, a Nova box, a Cannon box, a Mateo box, and an Ember box. There are a total of 36 cards in the game pack. Each card has a picture and identifying number on the front and a blue background and logo on the back. These cards will be used with the Legendale Neighborhood board games. Some games will also require the base cards pack. There are 4 white boxes of base cards, 1 for each team. There are 48 base cards in each box. Some cards have a large number on the front, as well as a visual representation of that number. There are also sun-based cards and battery-based cards. The white backs of the cards have the logo and the identifying number. The Little Legends starter set, Welcome to Legendale, also includes a Tello drone, 1 bag of numbered polydots for use in the physical games, 4 mission mats used in board games and unplugged coding activities, 20 character pieces used in board games and unplugged coding activities, and dry erase compatible grid keys for the guessware game. Your polydots, mission mats, base cards, and character pieces will also be used in future Little Legends expansion sets, which will follow the Little Legends on adventures to places like Legendale Farm and Legendale Amusement Park. Let's look at the resources available to you online. The digital and printable content can be found on the Drone Legends Educator Portal, or DLEP. You should have received an onboarding email that has your access code. Little Legends is one of several Drone Legends K-12 educational brands. When you open the Drone Legends Educator Portal, you will see the programs that have been purchased by your school or institution. The Little Legends adventures begin at Legendale in the Welcome to Legendale starter set. There are 5 stories in Welcome to Legendale, with 5 activities per story, designed to last about 45 minutes each. In total, Welcome to Legendale provides 25 days of activities and over 18 hours of content. When you open the Welcome to Legendale story set, begin at the Start Here tile. This contains a quick start guide, an implementation guide, and a teacher Tello flight plan, as well as the tutorial video you're watching now. We recommend printing the Quick Start Guide and keeping it handy to assist you in materials management. The implementation guide can be read online or printed for future reference. If you will be flying the Tello for classroom demonstrations, please click through the training and curriculum connections that can be found here. The 5 remaining tiles are for each of the 5 stories. When you open a story, you will see a slide player with 2 tabs titled Lesson and Story. The Lesson tab opens the instructional slides, which you will use to lead the games and activities. Note, these instructional slides serve 2 purposes, which we'll cover later in this video. The Story tab opens the storybook slides, which you'll read aloud with the students. At the bottom of the slide player are links to downloadable materials, including your lesson plan, activity sheets, Tello teacher flight plans for the drone demonstrations, and the paper airplane templates. Print 1 lesson plan for each adult leader, 2 paper airplane templates per student, 1 activity page, and 1 coloring page for each student. Use the arrow keys on the bottom right corner of the screen to toggle through pages of the storybook slides. The red button next to the volume bar opens a thumbnail list of all the slides in the story, allowing you to easily navigate forward or backward through the story. The diagonal arrow button expands the view to full screen. The curved arrow button begins the story over at the first slide. Stay tuned for new story sets that will take the Little Legends on adventures to Legendale Farm, Legendale Amusement Park, and other worldly places.